Alright, it's me versus the washing machine. I'm gonna try and pull Stuk out. We're gonna see if we can get him out of there. He's been stuck for like 3 weeks at this point.
I think he's been stuck for a lot longer than that.
He's been stuck for a lot longer than that, but he's been in the washing machine for 3 weeks.
2 outs to start off the game for the StarGazers.
Yeah. Ooh, barely make that not 3. Oh, that is so not a home run.
Yeah, that's very foul.
That's also very foul. Boomerang Bro put a ball in the field of play challenge. Difficulty Boomerang Bro.
Difficulty Boomerang Bro.
Alright, that one's
Look,
in the field
see?
of play. That one's a home run.
That's so gone. It's
So gone. It just took 5 years to get there. Just like, look at how much it hooks. Good lord. It wanted to go horizontal to the fucking base pad. Or not horizontal, one.
Look, this team is not lossless, by the way. You can stop this team!
Yeah.
Who picked the stadium, by the way?
Stuk.
You could have stopped this! Literally could have gone to a bigger stadium.
The Nokis. My greatest weapon and my greatest weakness. Next to you fucking baby Mario. Alright, we're looking for another really good performance here from Boomerang Bro on the mound. Really hoping he can do it for us, and that's a good start. Thank you. Bust it down, big man. Mario's been on like an MVP caliber season here, and a second strikeout. Bet. Continued. Commentator's curse? Biased curse? Are we seeing a third strikeout, my big man? 2? Uh-oh. Stuk, I set the controller down at the start of every game. The most I do is I reach over to press the start button to skip home run animations.
Lupiana just barely misses the home run. It's like an inch away.
Yeah, if that hits the top, it goes out easily.
Yeah.
No bounce backs here, I think. There's just gonna be a line drive from
Good if Lupiana.
Ooh. Alright. Baby Mario, triple play. Hit the ball, maybe?
Oh, but with the ass grounder stars. Okay, no, the dive actually means that he gets the first.
Yeah, dive moment. It's a pain I am all too familiar with. Piant so long on the dive recovery.
Epic Walu charge sauce.
Epic Walu charge moment. Dixie, are you going to fucking walk this man? No? Okay, there's another strike. Count loaded for Waluigi? Star Swing!
Star Swing?
Ah, they win the 50-50.
I picked the right one.
Alright, you'd like to see a line drive here from Blue Match.
Ooh, line driver right into, not the Star Swing.
Yeah.
speaking of line drive.
Yep, Stuk calling for an 0-5 here. 2 strikes for Hammer Bro. I think we're going to see a strikeout here easily from Dixie. Yep.
Ooh.
That's the power class difference. Really bad at reading those pitches, but when they do... Ooh!
Was gonna pick that up.
Walu with the quickness, the little dive just to make sure he gets the ball. Get down for
Fire-Bro.
Other MVP candidate here on the in the washing machine. Yep. The aspirations of a no-hitter have already ended for the StarGazers. Wow, that's gonna get Fire-Bro to third.
Mm.
Slow roller there from Red Match. The Paracoopers have been pretty hot this season. They're gonna stay hot.
Good line drive, star swing, that's gonna score 2. Look at the beautiful curve on it.
Beautiful curve on it. Alright, red pair up, 1 chem on. That's just gonna pop
Good
out.
hit.
That's gonna bring green pair all the way to third.
Yep.
Dixie Kong up now though. Been selling a bit on the mound, but you're really hoping that she can bring a run in to tie this up here.
Mm. She gonna swing?
Yes, she is! Grounder star swing!
And this is...
Tied up, tied up. Back to the top of the lineup. We saw strikeout, strikeout, strikeout last time we were here, and we will not this time. That is going to be a pop out from Yoshi.
Mario? Lily swing?
Ooh, and it's going to get down to the
hit.
Piranha Plant. Ooh, bobble to herself.
Bobble?
And the washing machine has the lead now. That gets down! Noki not diving for it. I think a lot of Stuk's fears from the first inning have been assuaged very handily here with his own 2-out rally. Oh, concussion ball from Fred Noki! That's gonna get down 2.
Yup.
That's gonna bring 2 home. It's gonna be 3. Oh, barely.
Yeah,
with
even past the...
Yeah, barely with the quickness there from the Noki. If you're me, right now, you're really hoping for Boomerang Bro to throw another strikeout here. Thank God, that's 4 on the day. But 8 runs and 9 hits from the washing machine here. Yeah, Stuk, she makes that. It's like, the Nokis are all still pretty fast characters. Dixie loading up the count for Boomerang Bro. It seems like it's going to be strike 2 if we see another ball here. Ooh. Bites on it. Loaded count for Boomer. I disagree.
Yeah, that didn't... I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know about that one, Chief.
Red Piano's gonna catch that.
Alright, into the Piantas. Blue's gonna tank that out to left field. That's gonna score Blue Noki. Yay!
Yep.
Runs! But that's gonna leave one chem on here for Yellow Pianta. Yellow Pianta. Maybe I should start putting. You know, I thought the little bit of testing I did, I thought Yellow Pianta was gonna be like my savior this season. The like one bright spot in like a sea of misery. And every time we show up to actually play, bro has just been a disappointment. Good lord. Boomerang Bro looking for a 5th strikeout on the day here. Not gonna get it, but that's easily
not getting it.
Ooh.
Dixie. No. Don't have time. You're just gonna hit that right over Yellow Piana's head. Mario, he's gonna runners on first and second.
Ooh, Star Swing! Concussion, but that's gonna get caught by Boomer!
Ooh.
StarGazers back up to bat. Ooh, I don't know about that one, Chief.
The best Baby Mario hit of all
The
time.
best Baby Mario hit of all time. Befuddled Red Pianta.
Unable to comprehend it. Good slap hit from Waluigi. Loaded bases now. For Hammer Bro, oh no. That's scary.
No, it's not. Hammer Bro,
So scary.
Hammer Bro is not that guy. He's gonna strike out here, and he's gonna be all on Boomer again.
No, he's gonna pop fly, star swing, side fly.
Close enough.
Really not. It did get them a run.
Close enough. If
The Boomerang Bro hits it out anyways.
Yeah, if it's a home run here from Boomerang Bro, it's the same. It's the same thing, except it used just a fucking star.
Good line drive, star swing.
That's gonna bring home 2. No!
Oh no, he's too slow.
He's so slow! Magic Koopa, how could you do this to me?
How could they do this? Let's straight Mario.
Noki.
Noki.
It's staying kind of close. We're getting into like the death lineup.
It's not quite down from Red P. Oh, the bobble! Bobbles to herself!
Bubbles to herself! Obama giving himself the medal. Ooh. That's gonna go foul!
Excellent Piranha Plant play.
Thank you, Boomer.
Fire Bro. good grounder. That's a good floater from Red Madge.
Boomer, please. Thank you, Boomer. You got 6 or 7 on the day already? My king, my champion, my go-to boomerang bro. Noki Pianta Pianta here. Pianta Pianta here. Pianta, please.
Playing in this.
Please, I beg you. Please. Please hit ball, please. Please.
Is he gonna do it?
No, he isn't.
No, he's gonna strike out.
Yellow Pianta, please, for once in your life. I beg you.
No.
Yay! Alright, Baby Mario, you got this. You got this. Yard it. Close enough. He's so fast. Ooh, good hit by good slap by Waluigi. That's gonna be bases loaded for Blue Match. To be fair, at least Stuk, if it actually rolled past him, that would have been a double, probably. Or at least would have extended Yellow Pianta all the way to third. Wow!
What?
Hits the
That's
star!
That's gonna tie the game and refund itself also.
Alright, that's gonna bring up Hammer Bro. Hammer, would you like to get a home run, or are you going to strike out like the failure you are?
What?
That's gonna be strike 1.
Mm.
Strike 2.
Strike 2.
Ooh, nope.
That is just barely not
Unless we
out.
see a concussion.
No. Concussion over the fence would be funny.
Concussion over the fence would be mad funny. The downside is that we have only just tied it up, and Stuk still has 3 innings to bat.
Mm-hmm.
So we're still kind of down here.
Yeah. That's always the situation. Is like, you know, you're technically tied in runs, but one of you has more opportunity.
Thank you,
So,
my
like,
goat. Thank you, my goat.
60 gets it down.
Why is Boomer impossible to hit? It's just how many charged pitches he throws, and the fact that when he throws curveballs, they actually curve.
Yoshi landed it.
He's got that 50. He's got that 50 curve. One, 2.
2.
Ooh, fireball.
Star swing.
Concussion. Oh, the Pianta wanted
Piranha
it.
Plant is
the
missing.
The Piranha Plant wanted it so bad, but that's going to bring Yoshi home. Washing Machine back in the lead.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's going to bring
Big line
Mario home, but Laser Beam's going to stop
Not
him.
laser beam.
That'll thankfully
No,
end
it's
the
just
inning.
out.
Yeah, that'll thankfully end the inning here. Yeah, it saw it was like close, but not within its actual grab range. So the plant just...
Boomerang Bro curves that out to the right.
Just watch it. Wow, Boomerang Bro double. Cycle Watch? Cycle
That
Watch?
curve hit, absolutely. Yeah, maybe. That curve hit, like, absolutely turned that from a single into a double.
Yeah, the curve hit matters a hell of a lot more on any ball that actually gets down.
Yeah.
It's why if I or Boomerang Bro ever end up in Thug Finals, we're gonna see a lot of Boomerang Bro ground rule doubles.
Good hit from Blue Noki, though.
Good hit from Blue Noki. Green Noki.
Oh, Green Noki. Green Noki.
That's why I said ever, Phil.
They're trying to steal.
Yeah, I think that's the first time I've seen the AI try to steal from second to third, even. Dixie gets a strikeout.
Strikeout from Green Noki.
Pianta's up.
Hmm.
It's gonna get caught.
Unfortunately.
That's also
Double
just gonna
Tiana
get caught.
also gonna pop that up.
Name a more iconic duo than Yellow Pianta and pop out to left field.
I don't think there is one.
There is not.
Fire Bro and winning.
That is correct.
Almost.
Ooh.
Oh.
That's gonna
No,
stretch
okay.
for a double. Yellow Badge! Gonna go foul again!
Oh no, foul again. Biased Piranha Plants.
Biased Piranha Plants, except for the fact that they just gave Fire Bro a double. Oh, Piapa!
Well,
the bobble for fair!
Look, he bobbled, but he's unlike Anoki. He's not quick enough to run back under where the ball is.
Baseball's happening, Stuk.
Green Pair almost hitting a home run. Almost.
That's gonna bring home one. Yep, Madge. Smart
Yellow
enough.
Madge, come on.
Never forget.
I'm forgetting. I'm sorry.
I forgot. I missed more. StarGazers gonna have one inning, starting with Baby Mario, to bring this back.
That is foul.
Yeah, Waluigi tried to jump for it, but I think he was gonna miss it anyway. Ooh, thank you. Thank you, Boomerang Bro. Oh, magic catch.
Hmm.
Yoshi can't Star Swing here, I think. Or at least they get the weak version of it. But nope, they're just gonna slap it. Oh, Pianta's gonna... Or not the Pianta. I keep wanting to say Pianta because there's always a Pianta on this fucking screen when that happens. But the Piranha Plant's gonna grab it and make it a very easy single. Oh, I'm sorry, very easy double for Yoshi. Okay. It's been strikeout or fucking Star Swing all game for Mario tonight.
Yeah, I think it has been. I think he's used 3 Star Swings and 1 strikeout.
Yeah. Alright. Boomer, please. Boomer. Okay, that's fine, but it's still gonna bring home Yoshi.
Well, it's
I'm not
definitely a
happy
sack fly
about it.
Yoshi.
Yeah. Okay, this has gotten a lot harder. out. They're just gonna watch it go. Oh, Mario wanted to stretch for a second there. Ooh. Yeah!
Ooh.
Bro on bro violence. Bust it down, big man!
Alright, the StarGazers are still down 6 here.
Still down 6, even if we lose. Even if we lose. Boomerang Bro had like an okay day today in terms of strikeouts. Don't ask what happened with the rest of it.
Big Mario strikes out.
Man, I should have picked Baby Luigi.
Luigi, slap it straight to Mario.
Ooh, line
Star
drive
hit.
swing. That's gonna stretch. Nah, it's not gonna stretch.
Yeah,
She's
it's pretty good, but...
Alright, Hammer Bro.
This is the
Hammer
star
Bro.
swing. Ooh, that's gonna end the game.
Yep. You know, I was gonna say, try to forget your Pro Compass Peach here, but a bit late for that. MVP Dixie Kong. No, I do not want to save. She pitched.
Yeah.
Hammer Bro. Sorry, what's this? Baby Mario got 3 hits? He was one of my top offensive performers? Anyway, 9 strikeouts from Boomer. Shame it couldn't have been put to any use. The third of those came in the first inning. Yep, another game of the washing machine batting 600.
Yup.
Dixie! Shit, alright.
What?
Yeah.
Alright.
And 5 strikeouts. I guess we know why Dixie was MVP. Alright, I guess that does it for this game.